Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a video on how to crochet this simple coaster. I decided to do a crochet video because it is something that I enjoy doing on my spare time and something that I learned at a very young age. It's also something that gives me the opportunity to be very creative, whether that be with a simple project such as this coaster or an intricate project such as a little teddy bear or a lion in this case. So let's go ahead and let's get started. For this project, we're going to need 2 colored yarns. I'm going with a purple and beige worsted weight yarn. We're also going to need a pair of scissors, a 5mm or H crochet hook, and lastly, a tapestry needle to sew in the loose ends. So now we're going to create the magic circle. You're going to take your hook, pull the yarn through, loop over, and then pull it through again. So we're going to do 2 single crochets, and that's going to start the first row and every row after that, but we're going to be working with double crochets. So we're going to loop over, go through the circle, pull through 1, loop over, pull through 2, loop over, pull through the last 2. So we want to make sure that we go ahead and we count all our stitches after each row, and that's excluding the last stitch. Then we're going to take the loose end and pull through. Lastly, we're going to slip stitch into that first stitch that we made, and that's going to be the end of the row. For the second row, we're going to single crochet twice, and now we're going to have to increase our stitches to make the circle bigger. So we're going to do 2 double crochets in each stitch, and you should end up with 20 stitches. For row 3, we're going to do another increase, and we're going to do 1 double crochet in the first loop, 2 double crochets in the next loop, and so forth. So it'll be 1, 2, 1, 2, and you should end up with 30 stitches at the end of that row. So for our last row, we're going to switch colors, and this shows how I change my colors. And for this one, we're going to increase again, and we're going to put 1 double crochet into the first stitch, another double crochet into the second stitch, and then 2 double crochets into the third. So now we're going to pull this loop through, and we're going to use our tapestry needle to sew in the loose ends. Now we're going to cut off the loose ends to complete the project. And now you can get your cup and put it on the coaster.